if you're struggling to grow your hair, I grew my hair to this length, and this is where I am coming from. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to do it. Before I jump into the video, I'm actually measuring my hair. I decided that I'm going to be, using a t-shirt. I'm going to keep this t-shirt over the years to keep a track of my hair length. Now, you saw the pictures earlier. That is where my hair was when I just started the journey. And the great thing about it is I always loved my hair. The process, when I just started, I didn't love it, but after getting into it and using the step-by-step method, and when I saw the progress, I was extremely happy. Now, this is a part of the journey too. You lose some hair, and this is about 4 weeks worth of shedded hair. This is from the front section of my hair, half of my hair, after I did washing. So this is what I use to wash my hair. I want to ensure that you cleanse your hair at least once per month. I actually tried doing it every single week. Sometimes, I will do it twice per month. And I'm going to try doing it once per month over the next quarter, the next 3 months. Now, make sure you're gonna go in and shampoo your hair, and everybody should know how to shampoo your hair, but just in case you don't know, I'm showing you exactly how I do mine. I do it in section, and again, this is a part of the process that will help you to retain your length. You want to do it in sections. If you notice, I have some jumbo twists in, and it allowed me to go through easier, right? So you want to find something that works for you. Jumbo braid, jumbo twist, those are my go-to tool. So I'm using a thick shampoo, as you saw earlier, and it has been working for me. I've been using this over the last year. This is the product that I made, and this is an avocado mask. I'm going to link that video for you. You must check out that video. I won't be able to go into the exact step-by-step process, but this is the second thing that I do to grow my hair, and you saw where my hair was. This is an amazing product that you need to be using. I went in and I strained it with a stocking cap because I didn't want those things to be left in my hair. Once you are done doing it, you can go in and apply this treatment to your hair, as you see me doing this now. Natural treatment is the best. So first of all, shampoo your hair in sections, right? And then you want to use natural treatment. So this natural treatment, it contains avocado and lots more natural ingredients. So please go right ahead and check out that video. Once I'm done, I put them back into sections. So everything I do it in sections. So again, you need to follow this routine if you want to grow your hair long, just like I did. Now, welcome if this is your first time, and I am Trina, and I do natural hair. I'm trying to grow my hair to waistline. So if that's something you're interested in, then you can continue watching, continue to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for continuing the journey. Now, the third thing I do is protective style. Protective style is very important, right? And you see me with a comb, but I actually finger detangle. I just use a comb to get a nice part so it can look a little bit more uniform. And these, I'm going to keep these as the permanent part for the next 2 months, and possibly for the entire year. So I want to see how it works. I'm not going to do them really fine. When I started this journey, I used to do very fine braids, but it has been a bit time consuming. I really don't have the time now. I find that doing medium size braids actually work as well. So do what works for you. Some person prefer doing twists, some prefer doing braids or plait, as we so call it. So I went in and I also finger detangle. So that is number 4. Finger detangle is very very, can I say very again, is very important. So you want to go in, take your time so you can feel all the knots and and the shedded hair. You go through and you do that. So I'm taking my time and I'm going through and I'm braiding my hair or plaiting my hair. Now, when I reach to this section, I actually do a twist. Why I do a twist? To make it easier when I'm going to unravel my braids. So you want to include that. If you twist all the way down, you may break the hair when you're trying to unravel. So that's what I actually do. Now I'm going to show you the finished product. This is what it's looking like. And if you like the entire process, please go right ahead, hit that thumbs up button, and if you have not yet subscribed, this is a great time to do so. And thank you so much to my returning subscribers. So I'm basically checking to see how much braids I have to the front as well, and this actually took me some time. Those of you who watched my last video, you would know how long it took me to do these braids, but I'm hoping to keep these in for another 6 weeks. I'm having them in, this is week number 1, and I want to go for probably 2 months, but I'm gonna say 6 weeks first, and then we will take it from there. One of the final thing you want to do, enjoy the journey, guys, and make sure you pray. Prayer works. Some of us don't even know the power of prayer. Everything I do, I pray. I've been doing the avocado mask quite some time, and there are other natural treatment that I use like aloe vera. Those two will help. So make sure you follow this routine. Let's recap. One of the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you shampoo your hair. Make sure your hair is clean and nice. Do a nice natural treatment, and preferably if you're going to have a protective style for a long time, it's recommended to do a deep protein treatment, so you can follow the routine that I use. The third thing is finger detangle. Always remember, finger detangle, all right, to make it easier to avoid breakage of the hair. And leave your hair alone. Leave it alone. So to leave it alone, you would need to put it in some protective style. So whatever protective style of your choice, then you want to do this. As you see me do my hair like this, I'm going to tuck the ends away. Once I'm done, I'm going to leave it out like this. I'm going to tuck it away and style it differently each time. So that is my simple routine that I actually use to grow my hair long. So go right ahead, you can check out my playlist that shows the natural treatment that I've been using on this journey. It has been an amazing journey. I love it. I have ups and downs. Don't let anybody tell you it is a smooth road. No, you're gonna have some days that you're gonna be down, but you have some really great days that you're gonna be up. And I hope you enjoy this video. And if you do, you know exactly what to do. And bye now until my next video.